Walt Disney created a culture, built it into his movies and left a legacy that lives on today. This legacy has helped shape the woman I am today. Disney is also shaping my daughters' lives in a significant way. To help us understand why I am so connected to the Disney brand, I sat down with George Siemens.
Connectivism is the integration of principles explored by chaos, network, and complexity and self-organization theories. Some of the key principles of connectivism are: learning and knowledge rests in diversity of opinions, and learning may reside in non-human appliances, and the ability to see connections between fields, ideas, and concepts is a core skill.
George, one brand that I have always connected with is Disney. I don't have a childhood memory that doesn't involve Disney, one of its movies or one of its toys. The Disney brand teaches young women some of my most treasured True North core values: kindness, honesty, integrity and leadership. Walt Disney once said, "You can design and create, and build the most wonderful place in the world. But it takes people to make the dream a reality." I want my girls to be leaders. Disney leads by example. In 2014, Disney gave $315.7 million to non-profit organizations helping kids, families, and communities in need. Disney teaches my girls that honesty is the best policy. As I raise two young women, this is one of the best core values that I can help instill upon them. Disney is helping to teach my girls that integrity is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching.
Jess, it's not just you. Disney connects with women everywhere, at any age and from all walks of life. Disney has virtually taken advantage of every social media platform. Disney has reached thousands of young women and men. They have a blog. Disney has its own Twitter, Disney at Disney. They have their own Instagram. And of course Disney has their own Facebook. Nurturing and maintaining connections is needed to facilitate continual learning. Disney is a terrific brand to help that process. I can understand why Disney has helped to shape your life and your daughters' lives. Your core values, honesty, leadership, integrity and kindness are strongly held by Disney.